Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gus & Cho Associates. I want to talk to you about making bi-weekly payments or extra mortgage payments per year. Highly recommend it. If you can't do a 15-year mortgage and beat the system with their interest rates and save tons of money over the life of your loan, there's another way to do it. You can do a 30-year mortgage and you can make one extra payment per year. If you make that one extra payment per year, you'll knock 4.5 years off that loan and you're going to save yourself tons and tons of interest. You make 2 extra mortgage payments per year, then you're going to save 9 years off of your mortgage and you're going to pay your house off in 21 years, and you're going to save tons of this interest that is compounded. It's so crazy, this formula, when you see how much money you save when you do that. Now the problem is not a lot of people do it. It's really hard to do. It's like saying, hey, put this money away so when you see it when you're older. It's really tough to do. Not a lot of people can do it, but if you can do it, you're going to save a ton of money. I highly recommend it. Make bi-weekly payments, extra monthly or extra yearly payments. Throw it all in there at once. Throw 5 payments in there the first year extra if you got it laying around. You will knock tons of time off of your loan and therefore save tons of interest. I can't advise you more properly. The end of your life is going to come a lot faster. 30 years just flew by for me. I can't believe how old I am. But anyway, it's going to come up to you. That day's going to come up. You're going to wish you did it. When you look back on life, why didn't I put $500 a month away in my savings account for my old age? You're going to say the same thing if you don't do it. So listen to me, do it. If you got any questions, call me 630-915-7550 and please subscribe.